Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can upload the video on TikTok and how you can add your profile picture. So let's start. So if you want to edit your profile, then you have to click on the edit profile, and after clicking on this, you have to provide the profile details like if you want to add the bio and if you want to add the profile picture and the photo. You can also do that. If you want to change your username or name, you can also do that. It's up to you. So I'm going to bake, and after going to bake, as you can see now, we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, simply we have to select the video which we want to upload. So let's select the video. For example, I'm going to select this video, and after selecting this, after selecting the video, there were some options. You can use them as well, like the filter and the audio and all the things were provided there. You can use them. So now simply if you want to add the text, you can also do that. Like if you want to add the hashtag, or if you want to mention someone, you can also do that. Or if you want to do anything else, you can also do that. I'm going to cut this one. So now we are going to cut this one as well. So let's cut this. And after that, if you want to take a people, you can also do that. And has a location, you have to select the location, that what is your location. For example, I'm going to select the Karachi wale, and as you can see, I have selected this location. So after that, as you can see, has an option for the privacy view post. You have to click on this. If you want to put privacy on your video, you can also do that, that who can view your video, like everyone friends or only you. And after that, if you want to add any kind of a link, you can also do that. And more options are provided here. If you want to use them, and all things are provided, you can use them. It's up to you. And then simply you have to hit the post, and the video will be uploaded. So in this way, you can upload a video on TikTok. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.